All right, now let's check in with meteorologist Matt Wintz on what our winter storm this weekend has left behind and what's ahead.
Yeah, busy weekend, and the week ahead looks pretty chilly, Matt.
Yeah, we're going to really settle into this cold pattern, guys, over the next really week or week and a half to lead into February as well, as it looks with these bouts of Arctic air. We're dealing with it now. Want to recap the snowfall first. Everything pretty much went as expected. We were saying 8 to 13 inches of snow. We have a lot of 13s on there. The only surprise with this storm system was some of that warmer air that got in areas of Tuscarawas and Carroll County. Cut down on your snow totals. We had more ice with that as well. But other than that, this behaved as expected. So 13, these are the official reports in from the National Weather Service. I've had a lot of tweets and accurate looking measures that have some 14 and 15 inch totals across the viewing area as well. But these are the ones the National Weather Service got. Cuyahoga Falls, 13 inches. Notice that, over a foot in snow. Stowe, Uniontown, you might as well call it snow now. Akron, Strongsville, both checking in at a foot. Even Amherst, it doesn't matter where you were in Northeast Ohio, even towards Newberry, checking in at a foot. Monroe Center out in Ashtabula County, checking at 11.7. Had a couple reports of 14 from out in Jefferson and the Austinburg area, 11 in Collins. And look at that, 10.5 in Kent. It was a very snowy go of it, most of it hitting last night when that wind picked up and the snow was really easily accumulate. So winter storm warning still going for the counties in pink. This goes till 4 a.m. It should be allowed to expire overnight tonight. And the reason for that is the blowing and drifting snow, and we still have some lake effect falling, but that will quickly wrap up. We've got high pressure pushing in, could put an end to some of this lake effect snow that we have. Big system now well off the east coast, but we've been tied into Lake Huron. Yes, we get moisture from Huron. We sometimes get it from Superior, just off to the north if that flow is right, but this has been a Lake Huron connection. The moisture develops here. We get that carryover to Lake Erie, so pretty intense snow band for a time today. It actually started on the west side of Cleveland, moved from west to east, and now it's concentrated out towards Ashtabula County. We've got snow showers down to the south of Cleveland now, and that traditional secondary snow belt. But as you zoom into the actual snow radar, it's not much. It's a very small area just east of Geneva now as you head along Route 20, I-90 as well, with some heavier snow, reduced visibility, but a very small geographical area. And then we have that smattering of snow showers from Brecksville up towards Solon, even the eastern suburbs of Cleveland getting that. That extends down towards Richfield's Peninsula and over here towards Hudson. Maybe another inch out of that at best. I think Ashtabula County stands the best chance for maybe another inch or two out of that before it winds down. Big story from here, wind chill advisory. It's going to be as cold as minus 25 below zero. That's what it's going to feel like. We've got air temps that are already below zero in Mansfield, Norwalk with some clearing skies. We'll talk more about the cold, and we've got a week to plan and an eclipse to talk about tonight. All that coming up in the forecast, guys.